Hanze Industrial Shanghai Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of steel rails, crane rails, screw spikes, fish plates, base plates, rail clip, rail clamp, rail bolts, rubber pads, rail maintenance machines, and mining machinery like wagons and locomotives. Our main advantage is to supply a full set of railway fastening system for our clients. We have office located in Shanghai and factory located in Jiangsu province with convenient transportation access. Also with England registered sister company, Hanze Industrial International Company Limited, mainly focus on steel materials like steel plates, shape steel and shipbuilding materials. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including screw machine, CNC machine, and a full range of testing equipment. In addition, we have obtained ISO, BV, and SGS certificates, selling well in over 40 countries and regions as Canada, Australia, Spain, Peru, Chile, Ecuador, Africa, Philippines, Qatar, Taiwan, and etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Hanze is dedicated to continuous innovation to produce railway accessories and meet your request well. We are sincerely welcome your inquiries and visits.